Yo, what up guys? Elaine here from learntobitcoin.co.za, and today I'm going to show you guys how to trade on Binance. Now, what is Binance? Binance is an exchange where you can buy and sell various cryptocurrencies. Not all of the cryptocurrencies are on the exchange, but they're adding more coins every day, as well as these awesome promotions. It's one of my favorite exchanges. It's where I'm buying and selling, doing most of my trading at the moment. And yeah, before we get started, guys, I must say that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Trading cryptocurrencies comes with certain risks, and you could lose any and all of your money at any time. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing you want to do is you want to go to Binance.com. So if you guys check in the description below, you will see my referral code. If you could go ahead and click that, if this video helped you, I would be super grateful, and thank you forever. So once you're on the website, you'll be able to see this front page. You can see the BNB market to Bitcoin, the nulls to Bitcoin, the yo-yo. These are all the top trading coins at the moment, or the biggest gains, biggest losers, and things like that. Here on the BTC market, the Bitcoin markets, you'll be able to see all the various coins that are currently trading against Bitcoin. You'll be able to see the last price that they traded at, and the dollar value, as well as the Satoshi value, which is quite handy to see how much dollars that coin's actually worth. Puts a nice real number to this number, if you will. You can see the 24-hour change, so we can see NEO is 12% up, Bitcoin Cash 8% up at the moment. The 24-hour high as well as the 24-hour low. So we can see these coins have been higher more recently than they are now, but they seem to be going up. The 24-hour low, so we can see that Bitcoin Cash was all the way down to 107 and now it is 143. The volume as well, so we can see Bitcoin Cash is currently the highest traded, or the most traded coin at the moment, with the highest volume. So that's the front page. Now what you want to do, guys, is you want to register your account. So you click here, you go to register. You want to be able to just go there, type in your email, your password, all your details and things like that. Here we go. You'll slide that across, you'll accept, and then you'll just go confirm in your email all the details and the finalities of signing up. Once you've signed up, you'll come back to the website, you'll click log in. For me, I've enabled two-factor authentication, so I'll put in my username, my password, slide that across, log in, and then I will need to put in my authentication code, 390. So this is always good, guys. Exchanges can get hacked at any time. Your computer could get hacked, your exchange could get hacked. You know, your cryptocurrencies, your bitcoins are vulnerable 24/7, no matter where they are, unless you bury them under a rock somewhere. I don't know. You know, just we're all targets here. So just take the steps to add an extra layer of security to your account. You can do that when you log into your account. You'll see here Google Authenticator. You can enable that. Download the app. Make sure you're safe. You can change your password. You can enable SMS authorization, and you can go to the API settings. But that's a little advanced for what we're doing now. Down here you can see your distribution history. So if you've been given any free coins, I received 500 free Tron from an airdrop. I got some gas, I got some Bitcoin gold, not a hell of a lot. I didn't really have, I was holding altcoins. And then you can see your last login locations. One great thing about Binance here is that if you buy the Binance coin from the exchange, you'll get a 50% discount on trading fees. So you can have that turned on or off, and then you'll have your withdrawal limits that show over here. So once you guys got your head around that, you've done everything you need to do, you can go ahead and you can click exchange and you can click basic. For the more advanced traders, if you want to go to the advanced section, they do have indicators and things like that. I'll do that in another video. This is just going to go through how we can buy, how we can sell. So what you can see here, guys, is once we go to the exchange, we're currently on the EverX coin. EverX versus Bitcoin. If I want to go and see other coins here, I can click NEO. and it'll load the NEO. So if you had bought NEO a little while ago, you'll be pretty happy right about now. Same with IOTA and all of these various different coins. So now if I wanted to buy and sell NEO, let's just say I want to buy right at the top of this green candle right here, then I would see here are the people selling NEO, and here are the people wanting to buy NEO. You can see people are selling NEO for you can see the price here. So it's 0.004254. That's how, and people are selling the amount of NEO. You can see it's coming down slightly after its all-time high, well, after its current daily high. So people are selling at this price, they're selling this amount, and the total amount of Bitcoin in this order is 1.37 Bitcoin. So these are the prices that you're going to pay. You're going to pay 0.004255 Bitcoin for one NEO coin. And you get this, if you want to buy 300, then it's going to cost you 1.3 Bitcoin. That's what this guy's selling right now. So I can, if I want to, buy all of that, or I can buy one of those, or I can buy whatever. Here are the people wanting to buy. So people are wanting to buy at 4245, and this guy wants to buy 259 NEOs, and he's got 1.1 Bitcoin that he wants to trade for these NEOs. So he's waiting for someone to sell to him, and these people are waiting for someone to buy from them. So if I wanted to buy some now, I could go ahead and click this number here, and it'll populate the price field. You can see it as I click, it changes. So I can buy at any of these prices, and then I can say the amount that I want to buy. So I'm going to say I want to buy 100. Max amount there. I don't currently have the Bitcoin for it. Here your Bitcoin amount will display. Here your NEO amount will display. Here's if you want to buy NEO. Here's if you want to sell NEO. So right now I'm pretending to buy NEO. So I'm going to click this price because they got 600. I want to buy 600. That's for example's sake. There we go. Now it's going to cost me 2.5 Bitcoin. I would have to have 2.5 Bitcoin showing over here in order to buy that. And then I would just click that, and then I would click buy. Right now it says balance isn't enough. But similarly, if I want to sell, I could sell to these guys. So I could click, I want to sell 100 NEO. I would click 42, and then I would put in my 100 NEO here, and I would sell them at, well, sell them there. The price is going down, and then I would click sell. So I could sell to these guys wanting to buy, or if I only wanted to sell at 4.3, because I think it's going to be up at 4.3 later, then I could put in the 4.3, and my order would go into the sell books here. As you can see, NEO's having a bit of a dump. It had a bit of a rise, and always after a couple of greens we see a red. Couple of greens, we see a red. Couple of greens, we've seen a red. So if I'm wanting to buy NEO, I must have Bitcoin. I must input the price I want to buy at. Maybe I want to wait for it to get down here. I think it's going to come down to 39.74. Let's just say that. I think it's coming down to here. Maybe not on this candle, but maybe on the next few candles. Then I will put a buy order in. I would say how many of them I want to buy. I want to buy 10 NEOs at 4072, because it's right above these Bitcoins or any reason. Then I would click buy. My order would sit there, and I would have to wait for someone to sell into my order. Same as if I want to sell higher, I would enter a number. It would go into the book up here. I could always click that to see all the sells. I can see, oh, there's 11 Bitcoin sells there, so it's probably not going to get past that anytime soon. And a 4 Bitcoin here, so maybe I want to sell earlier, depending on how long term this trade will be. So I could set a sell order, I could set a buy order, or I could buy directly from the sells, or I could sell directly to the buyers. And that's that. So if you guys are wanting to buy any coin, you can just click the various coins here. You can see the trade history over here. What's currently this is being a lot of coins sold off. IOTA's got waves. We got ups and downs, ups and downs. So you could, buy down here, sell up there, and then wait for it to crash down, buy some more there. Now it's going up again, sell a bit, and just follow those waves. Right now everyone seems to be buying up IOTA. It looks like it's currently on a little bit of an uptrend after this down here. Then if I want to buy, I can buy at the current sell price. If I want to sell, I can sell at the current buy price, and vice versa. You just got to have enough Bitcoin for your order, and you can always just click that price, click 100%, and it would use all of your Bitcoin. So I can buy 7 IOTA for this small amount of Bitcoin that I have here. I click that. Click that, 100%, and it's going to say you must at least have this much Bitcoin. So you need at least 0.001 before you can make a purchase. You can't do any orders smaller than that. You can see here it uses BNB for fees. The current fee is 0.1%, and if you use BNB it goes to 0.05, which is great. So guys, that's pretty much how you would buy and sell. If you want to then go and withdraw, if I buy IOTA and I want to send it to another wallet, I could withdraw my IOTA and send it to another exchange to sell there, or to buy more, or just to do whatever I want. And that's that, guys. So you go to exchange, you go to basic, make sure you've got BTC within your account, and then you can go ahead and just use these buy books and sell books to either buy or sell. It's always good to keep a keen eye out to see where the pressure is. If you notice that there's 100 Bitcoin sell order right at the top of the book here, like that, 5,000, then and it's gone. So we see we got a bit of a spoofy on our hands here. But yeah, I'll be releasing another video learning or teaching you guys more about what to look out for in the books. But for now, if you just want to buy and you just want to sell some and ride some waves, then that is how you do it. It's quite simple. Buy, sell, there we go. Guys, if this video helped you, please go ahead and click my referral link below in the description. Leave a thumbs up and let me know if there's anything that was unclear. If there is anything that was unclear, then please join us in our Discord chat at cryptochat.co.za. The link is also in the description below, and you can ask any further questions from there. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day further. Happy trading. I hope you become a millionaire, and then you can message me and let me know. So cheers guys, cheers.